Hi guys, you are welcome to Amatip IT. In this video, I will be discussing how you can create automatic table of content in your Microsoft Word and how you can create a navigation menu bar in your Microsoft Word. So, assuming you are working on a document that contains many pages, like large number of pages, then you want to create a table of content, but instead of wasting time of creating the table of content manually, you can actually generate the table of content automatically. And also you can create a menu bar for your document so that you can easily navigate to any part of your document with the menu bar. So let's get started. The first thing you need to keep in mind is that whenever you have it in mind that you want to automatically generate the table of content of any document you are working on, you must make sure that you give all the headings in your work appropriate heading type. Okay, for instance, you can see this is a particular document that contains about 95 pages, and it might be a tedious work to create the table of content manually, so I can easily generate table of content for this document automatically and also create a navigation menu bar for this document. Okay, so but one thing that is important there is that all the headings in this document must be properly identified. Okay, for instance, now our introduction, if you look at the tools bar here on your Microsoft Word under home, you will see that Microsoft Word have different heading type. We have heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, and the like. So you must indicate the type of headings in every area. For instance, maybe the chapters heading can be heading 1 and other sub heading can be heading 2, then any heading follow the that particular sub headings can also be an heading 3, like that. So you need to indicate the type of heading you are working in each area. For instance, the introduction of this chapter headings, which is introduction, was labeled as heading 1. Then the sub-heading in this chapter, you can see heading 2, heading aim and objective, heading 2, and also this one heading 2, just like that. So you can continue. That's all you need to do. Every time you get to add a new heading, just make sure that you indicate the type of heading it is, and that is very simple for you to achieve. All you need to do, once you type the heading name, for instance, table of content, as on this table of content is a particular heading, all you need to do is to type it, and after typing, highlight it like this, then click on the heading you want to give it. You can see it is now in the table of content is now heading 1, or you can change it to heading 2 or heading 3. You can see the difference. So it depends on what you want to achieve. And once you do that, you can continue doing your work. And once you finish all your work, then you can create the table of content automatically. All you need to do is to come to the area where you want to create your table of content, then come to the menu bar here and click on reference. On the reference, click on table of content. On the table of content, you can see automatic table 1. Then once you click on that, it will automatically generate the table of content for you, and that's it. You have your table of content within seconds. Okay, so that's that. But let's assume that you make some changes in your document, maybe to the headings or to the title or whatever, or the page number, whatever, that warrants you to change your table of content or to update your table of content. Once you make any changes and you want to update your table of content, all you need to do is to come back to your table of content and right click on it. And once you right click on it, it will show you this box. If you want to update, just click on update the feed, and it will prompt you to choose a particular type of update that you want to make. Maybe you want to update page number or update the entire table of content. Then you click that, anyone that's suitable to what you want to do. Then click on OK, and with that it will automatically update all the changes that you have made. That's all. Then let's move on. Let's move to the second one, which is how to create a navigation menu bar for your Microsoft Word document. And that is also simple to do. All you need to do is to come to View, and under View you will see Documents Map. Click on Document Map, and that will automatically generate a navigation menu bar for you, in which you can just click on any area you want to go in your document, and it will take you to that particular area. Irrespective of how large your document is, you can easily move through the document to a particular area you want to move to. So that is it for today. If you like our content and you want more technology information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel, follow all our social media handles, and take a look at our website to see what Amatip IT is all about. Till next time, goodbye.